Welcome to AYS Maths channel. Uh, in this video, I will be solving question number 10 from paper October 2023 Edexcel IAL Pure Mathematics P1. We will go through the problem step by step, ensuring you understand the concepts and techniques needed to tackle similar questions. Question 10 is the figure 4 shows a sketch of the part of the curve C1 with the equation y equals to 3 cos x over n. Where n is a constant, the curve C cuts the positive axis for the first time at point P to 70 and 0. So, okay, so this is a point P and the angle over here is 270 degree. State the value of n. So what is n? We need to tell here how much the graph is compressed or stretched. Okay. So if we look at the equation, it says y equals to 3 cos x over n. So the amplitude here is 3. This is the amplitude that tells us how tall or short the graph is. So this is 3 and here it is -3. Okay. So for that I need to look at the period of a graph. So if I look at the period of a graph, what is the period? The period goes from one point to another same point. So this, let's say from here to the next matching point is this. So this is one period. Okay, and from here if I check what is this, second point. So same from here to here. So basically this has 3 periods here. Okay, so n represents, what is n? It means n is 3 here. So n is 3. In the next part, it says that state the period of C1. Now I have to tell what is a period. So this is a cost graph, and if I look at the normal cost graph, this is the normal cost graph. Okay, so from this, it has what? This is the period. So from here to here. So basically, the period goes from any point to the next matching point. So from here to here, and its period, we know that the period of a cost graph is 360 degree. All right, so now let's go back to our question. So if it has the n is 3 here, so it means that the period of this graph is 3 times 360, which is 1080 degree. Right, the point Q shown in figure 4 is a minimum point of C1. State the coordinate of Q. Okay, so Q is the minimum point. So as this is the minimum point, and I know that the y value here is -3, so x and y, so I can say that y is -3. So what is x then? To get to know what is x, I should know the period of the graph. So I know that this is the one, and here I have half. So I can say that I have here 1.5 period. 1.5 period. Let me erase it. So 1.5 period here to get to know what is Q. All right. So one period, we know it is 1080 degree, and half period would be, I'll divide it by 2. So 1080 divided by 2 is 540 degrees, right? So the total here is the total period, like, to get to know what is Q, x value for Q is 1080 plus 540, and that is equals to 1620. So x here is for q 1620. Okay, so I can write down, say that the coordinate of q is, don't forget to write in a bracket form, 1620 and -3. Okay, because if you will not write in form of a coordinate form, so you can lose a 1 mark here. Okay, next the curve C2 has equation y equals to 2 sine x plus k. The point R, A, and 12/5, and the point S, -a, -3/5 both lie on C2. Given that A is constant less than 90 degree, okay, it is less than, so this is an acute angle. Find the value of K. To find the value of K, let's copy the equation from above. Okay, the point R and S both lie on C2. So as the point lie on C2, so let's substitute R first. Y is 12/5 and 2 sine x is A. So let's replace x with A, and this is the equation after substituting R. Now let's substitute point S. So point S is y is -3/5 and 2 sine minus A plus K. Okay, I got here two equations, and now I need to find out what is K. So for that, first let's say this is 1, and for equation 2, I first need to simplify it because I can see that I have here sine minus A. And sine minus A, I can write it as -2 sine A plus K. Why? Because sine is an odd function. Okay, and for odd function, the identity sine minus x equals to minus sine x. Okay, this is a fundamental property of the sine function, which is an odd function. And if you want to understand more through graphs, so let's go to the sine graph. It's here. This is here. This is the sine graph. And because this is less than 90 degree, if you look at any angle somewhere here, that will give you a negative. Okay, so it means that, let's say any angle here, any angle, let's say um, this is any angle here, let's say this is sine minus theta equals to, and you get here negative answer. All right, so this would be minus sine theta. So this is the fundamental property of sine function, and sine is an odd function. Let's go back to our question. So now from equation 1 and equation 2, let's solve it simultaneously. Okay, because I have to find the value of K, I will not eliminate K, rather I will eliminate sine A. Okay, let's rewrite both equations here and solve it. 12/5 equals to 2 sine A plus K. This is equation number 1. And -3/5 equals to -2 sine A plus K. This is equation 2. Let me recheck. Is it correct? -2 sine A. Yes. Okay. Let's solve simultaneously. Eliminate sine, because positive, negative, I can cancel it out. 12/5 minus 3/5 and equals to K plus K is 2K. And this is 9/5 equals to 2K, and K here is 9/10. So K is 9/10. This was question number 10 from paper October 2023, Edexcel IAL Pure Mathematics P1. I hope you found this solution helpful and feel more confident tackling similar problems. If you have any questions or need further clarification, Feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AYS Maths channel for more exam tips and math tutorials. Thank you for watching. You can find the videos for the remaining questions from this paper in the playlist.